Hi, this is Marty of Fika Realty, and this is a modern contemporary duplex located in Greenland Executive Village in Cainta, Rizal. But before we start our video, please consider giving this video a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para ma-notify kayo for more real estate videos, and you can follow our social media accounts for more listings. So nandito tayo ngayon sa ating 2-car parking. It's elevated, kaya yung time ng Ondoy, hindi na inabot ng part na to. And then we have, may mga saksakan na tayo and our faucet para malinis natin or ma-car wash natin yung ating mga kotse dito. And whether sedan or SUV, kasyang-kasya dito. So, ito ating main door, it's a very big, solid wooden door. And kapag pasok natin ng ating property, we have our living area with double height ceiling. So maganda yung ating air circulation and maluwag tignan dahil nga double height yung ating living area. We also have a space here intended for our television. So either 60-inch or above, kasyang-kasya dito. And you can also notice our cement polished na design na may pagkahalong industrial yung ating theme. So beside our living area, we have our dining area right here. Meron na tayong accent wall made out of PVC with solid wooden design. And we have our lighting fixture. Dito natin lalagay yung ating dining table which can accommodate around 8 to 10 people. Ganun kalaki yung ating first floor kasi open layout yung ating first floor. And then here, we have a sliding door. So this is intended para sa isang lanai or pocket garden wherein you can put benches or pwede nyo rin gawing smoking area if you smoke. So you can rest here and do some reading o pwede rin kayo maglagay ng duyan or something para lang may extra hangin na ma-experience dito sa bahay. And then here on my left side, we can notice yung ating staircase. And since open yung ating mga steps, it gives extra space or illusion of extra space sa ating floor, sa ating ground floor. And yung ating railing and made out of tempered glass na to, tapos metal na yung railing mismo. So here behind me, we have the kitchen area. We have a very big kitchen island with granite countertops. And we have our L-shaped kitchen na granite countertops na rin. So aside from that, we have the range hood, we have lots of storage na may duco finish na, and lots of more storage underneath our granite countertops. So aside doon, meron din tayong deep aluminum sink, dalawang sink na dito. So you can wash a lot of your utensils and plates dito. So beside it, we have this door. Pero meron din pala tayo ditong provision for your 2-door refrigerator. So here, meron na tayong banyo. This is actually a powder room, so intended for our guests. And when you can also notice with our powder room, kahit powder room lang siya, floor to ceiling na yung ating tiles. And this is made out of ceramic tiles with, may pagkamukhang porcelain yung finish niya, pero this ceramic tiles siya with complete water fixtures for your powder room, sink, water closet, and bidet, which is very important. So, beside our kitchen, mapapansin din natin dito, we have a sliding door. So this is our service area. So mapapansin nyo rin sa video kung gaano kaluwag yung ating service area. Pero yung mga countertops dito na nakita natin, that is actually our dirty kitchen. So may extra space tayo to prepare our food. So ang maganda naman sa ating service area, papansin natin may extra, parang hindi siya covered. But covered talaga siya ng ceiling dun sa second floor. Kaya lang mukhang ganyan para may hangin na dumaloy dito sa ating service area. Pero ang pinaka na-impress talaga ako about this house is gaano kalaki yung ating maid's room. They really cared about the welfare of the maids or yung ating helper. May mga konting finishing lang sa ating mga lighting fixture. Pero meron na rin siyang sariling banyo, bathroom. And yung space niya is adequate or ample for a bathroom. Pero maganda talaga is maluwag yung ating maid's room. So far, that is our ground floor. Meron din tayong isa pang unit na katabi nito since duplex siya. So mirror lang yung kanyang layout. Pero you can also buy that if you want to. So far, how are you liking this video? I really like the finishing of this house. Especially na hindi talaga tinipid yung mga finishing, yung granite, yung mga railing, mga ganyan. So if you like this one, don't forget to schedule for a viewing and for a meeting. So tignan naman natin ano yung nasa second floor. Right. So mapapansin natin upon me going to the second floor, we have a very elegant lighting fixture, yung ating chandelier. So ang ating landing for this area, this is intended for a family area. So pwede rin kayo maglagay ng mga couches or maybe mini library. Or pwede nyo rin siguro gawing office area depending on what you want and what you need. And we have, ito yung chandelier natin or lighting fixture na makikita natin sa ating double height living area. So actually, ang ating master bedroom is nasa right ko. So hulihin na lang natin yan. Tingnan muna natin yung mga bedrooms dito on my left. So maganda dito sa ating sa second floor, yung ating natural light pumapasok dahil dun sa pocket garden na ginawa sa ating ground floor. So for our first bedroom, located here, so ano na siya? Meron na siyang ceramic tiles for the flooring. We have windows, sliding windows na galing dun sa aking pocket garden, which also acts as the air well for this room. And meron na siyang built-in cabinets with duco finish, and maganda yung pagka-finish ng ating cabinets. And for the lighting naman, we have extra cove lighting at this part, pero meron na rin tayong pin lights and yung ating lighting fixture in the middle of the room. So ang ating bedrooms, may sarili-sarili na silang bathroom para hindi na kayo mag-agawan ng kanyang sarili-sariling banyo. And what I like about this one is, aside from the floor to height ceiling na yung ating tiles, meron siyang tempered glass for the separation from the shower area going to the other water fixtures. Okay, so meron na tayong rainfall shower, sink, water closet, and bidet. Okay, so tignan naman natin yung other bedrooms for this house. Okay, so etong nasa left ko, it's not actually a bedroom. It's a storage area o pwede nyo rin gawing pantry para pwede kayong maglagay ng mga maybe shoes or mga pillows, depende kung anong kailangan nyo. Pero it's a storage area. Okay, so here is our second bedroom of the house. So 3 bedrooms yung ating duplex/townhouse. So ito, meron na rin siyang built-in cabinets tulad nung nakita nating bedroom kanina. So this one is located at the back part of the property. So we have a balcony included for this area. We have again your own bathroom and we have your parang cove lights for added lighting sa ating kwarto. And yung ating floor to ceiling tiles na banyo, same design lang naman siya nung kanina with tempered glass for the division from the shower area to the other fixtures. So, very elegant, very classy tignan yung ating design. And then lastly, tignan naman natin kung ano yung tsura ng ating master bedroom. So again, so far, how are you liking this video? Comment down your thoughts for this one. And ano yung best part or favorite part yun ng bahay na to? Isa rin sa pinakamagandang para feature na rin ng bahay is flood-free area na siya. Since Rizal is known for mabahain, pero this one, kahit ondoy, hindi siya inabot. Well, inabot pero parang ankles lang. So this is our master bedroom. And this is located at the facade of the property, meaning nasa harapan siya. And we have your drop ceiling with cove lights and yung ating usual na ceramic tiles for the flooring. And meron na siyang balcony. So yung ating balcony, ang maganda naman dito is yung ating railing is made out of tempered glass and metal. And then we have your built-in cabinets na marami ka nang pwedeng ilagay dito. And of course, meron na tayong mga windows dito for added natural light and air circulation. Pero dito marami ka na malalagay sa ating built-in cabinets. So lastly, tignan naman natin yung master bathroom. So this one, almost the same design ng ating mga bathrooms kanina, pero it's bigger than the previous ones. So again, we have your accent wall na may wooden design made out of ceramic tiles na mukha siyang porcelain. Ganun yung finish niya. Tapos we have your rainfall shower, we have your tempered glass, we have your water closet, we have your bidet, and yung ating sink is nasa kabilang area. May mga lalagay din na mirrors dito, may mga konting finishing pang gagawin. So that's actually it for this video. So tell us what you think of this one, and if you want to schedule for a viewing or for a tripping, you can contact the details listed in the description below. Again, my name is Marty Hernandez. I'm a licensed real estate broker of Fika Realty. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.